Building strong financial habits and sticking to them is critical to achieving financial freedom. Wondering how? Stay with me till the end of the video and I will tell you 5 financial habits to inculcate in your life to attain your financial goals. Hi everyone, I'm Ayushi from Clio. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform where we serve more than 6 million tax filers. Subscribe to our channel to get investing tips and learn more about growing your money. Financial freedom is a very subjective term. It can mean different things to different people. For some, it may be having enough money to afford all the luxuries they desire, while for others, it can be having enough to meet their month-to-month obligations. However, financial freedom would mean that you have enough money as savings, investments, and cash in hand to afford the lifestyle that you desire. It should also incorporate a retirement fund that can allow you to retire or pursue another career without much financial restraint. The 3 main objectives of financial freedom are: live your desired lifestyle. If there is a mismatch in your desired lifestyle and the financial capacity to achieve that lifestyle, then you must find a way to bridge this gap. This is one of the aspects that financial freedom helps achieve. Second, cash in hand. Financial freedom is also about having enough liquid cash for a rainy day or for unexpected expenses. Third, retirement fund. It is imperative to build a corpus for yourself when you stop working. This is also one of the objectives that financial freedom helps achieve. Finally, it's that part of the video where I tell you 5 habits you can adopt today to achieve financial freedom. First, diversify your portfolio. One of the worst investment habits is poorly diversifying your portfolio. In other words, all your money is parked in a single investment or asset class. This is a risky investment and can cause your portfolio to crash in case of adverse market performance. In contrast, diversified portfolios contain a good mix of investments which can help reduce risk and financial downswings caused due to the volatility of a specific asset class. Portfolios must be diversified even in widespread investment categories such as stocks. For example, if you only invest in blue chip companies, you may miss out. They may represent a major part of your portfolio, but it is important to ensure that you have put your money to work in other asset classes. Second, don't hold too much cash. It is crucial to have access to liquid or near liquid cash for unexpected financial disruptions. Furthermore, it's a good idea to have cash handy for investment opportunities. However, having too much cash lying around can be counterproductive in your quest to generate more income. One of the biggest hardships of holding too much money is the low rates of interest. The more money you have lying around, the more you are potentially losing by not investing in additional asset classes. This may end up costing you a lot of money annually. Besides, the value of your cash would deplete due to the rate of inflation, meaning the money will not have the same purchasing power in over the course of a few years. Therefore, reducing your cash holdings for emergencies and unexpected financial requirements is a wise investment decision. Third, ignore market noises. A common investment habit is falling victim to market noises. In other words, blindly basing your investment activities on the news. A novice investor trades stocks based on market noises in order to make a quick buck. However, this can lead to financial downswings. A mindful investor focuses on the fundamentals of the company and doesn't pay much attention to market noises. Media sensationalism can cause you to panic and overreact. Ensure that you stay disconnected from misleading or unreliable information while making investment decisions. Fourth, evaluate your debt. Yes, debt denial is a habit and it's important to break free from it to become a successful investor. In simple terms, this is a refusal to believe that there is a problem of debt in your life. Let's face it, if you're working against one of the strongest financial forces, compounding interest, it's going to be an uphill battle to generate wealth. The first step to flipping the script of your finances is to evaluate your situation honestly and stop denying debt. If you don't have a plan on how you're going to settle your debts, formulate a plan today. You can complement this habit by investing any additional money you may have into financial assets such as stocks. The returns you reap from investing in the stock market can help offset the interest you are losing out from repaying your debt. Fifth, never borrow to invest. One of the most grievous sins of financial investments is taking out a loan to invest. There is an argument that you can take out a loan to invest if the investment yields more returns than the interest you pay on the loan. Although this may make sense on paper, the fact is that some investments are risky. There is a possibility that you don't make any returns on the investment, or even worse, you lose part of your investment. What's worse, finding a loan with interest rates lesser than a relatively safe investment is practically inconceivable. Even if you do find one, the difference between the returns and the interest is likely to be so minute that it would hardly be worth your efforts. So folks, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did telling you about the investment habits you need to achieve your financial goals. You can start your investment journey by downloading the Black app by ClearTax from the link given in the description below. Download the Black app to help you grow your wealth and invest wisely. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance related content. See you soon.